This is NEC News Today. I'm Jeremiah McKinnon with necnewstoday.com. Here now are the top cannabis news stories from around New England for the second week of April 2022. Our first story this week comes from Massachusetts, with the Senate passing a bill to improve equity in the cannabis industry. The bill makes grants and loans available to help provide startup funding to equity businesses in the cannabis industry. These grants and loans would be administered through a Cannabis Social Equity Trust Fund to individuals certified as Economic Empowerment Priority applicants or Social Equity Program participants. Funding for the program will come from an annual 10% contribution from the Marijuana Regulation Fund, where millions of dollars are brought in each year from excise taxes on recreational marijuana purchases. The bill also takes steps to reform the host community agreement process, clarifying what is and what is not allowed within the HCA. It also allows a city or town to waive the requirement for an HCA altogether if it so chooses. Last but not least, the bill establishes a local voter initiative petition process to facilitate local approval for the consumption of marijuana on the premises where sold. An alternative process was established that allows for cities or towns to permit on-site consumption by passing an ordinance or bylaw. For more information on this bill, including the text of the bill, please visit necnewstoday.com. This week, Yamba Market became the first recreational cannabis retail dispensary to open its doors in Cambridge, Massachusetts. In 2019, Cambridge passed a unique local ordinance giving commission-designated economic empowerment priority applicants a head start to open cannabis businesses within the city. The goal behind the ordinance was to increase equity participation by signing the first host community agreements with these businesses. Yamba has announced that they will be celebrating their grand opening with a special 420 block party that will feature live music, guest celebrities, and giveaways. Attendees can expect music from Coletta and Super Yamba Band, as well as hip-hop legend Doug E. Fresh and the Get Fresh crew. The event is for individuals 21 years and older. For more information on the grand opening of Yamba Market, please visit our website. In Hartford, Connecticut, police found what they are calling a drug shopping mall inside a local restaurant. After a months-long investigation into Hot Mama's restaurant on 451 Franklin Avenue, Hartford police executed a search warrant and discovered a mini shopping center for drugs inside the building. Large quantities of marijuana, fentanyl, cocaine, and other drugs were seized. In total, 8 individuals were arrested. According to officials, 145 pounds of marijuana was seized, which is the largest amount recorded in Hartford police history. Police say the business posed as a restaurant but would charge customers a cover fee to access the secret underground drug market. For more information on this investigation, please visit our website. For the cannabis-infused seltzer fan in your life, LEVIA has released a special edition flavor of their beverage for the 420 holiday. This special release is called Mellow Mule. According to LEVIA, this drink mimics the desired effects of their Celebrate can, which are relaxation, focus, social, and confident. The flavor is a combination of ginger with some lime. Mellow Mule features beautiful artwork on its packaging. For more information on this announcement, please visit necnewstoday.com. In other news, former Fall River Mayor Jasiel Correia is trying his hardest to avoid the start of his prison sentence. The former mayor is due to report to prison by April 22nd to begin serving his 6-year sentence related to his May 2021 conviction for criminal fraud and extortion. Judge Woodlock of the U.S. District Court granted Correia several continuances, but recently denied Correia the ability to avoid prison while his appeal is in process. This led Correia to file a motion in the First Circuit Court of Appeals asking the same request, permission to avoid jail time while his appeal is being heard. According to the complaint filed by Correia, several questions of law and fact could result in a reversal or a new trial. This story is continuing to develop. For updates, please visit our website. The Massachusetts Cannabis Control Commission is looking for feedback on recent changes they've made to their ownership guidance. At their April 2022 meeting, the Commission voted to make changes to their guidance on ownership and control. Massachusetts law caps the number of licenses that individuals can own, leading the Commission to define what indirect versus direct ownership is. The amended document goes over clarified definitions of close associate, equity holder, significant event, and indirect control. Members of the public and business owners can provide feedback to the Commission between April 11th and May 2nd at 5 p.m. To find the updated guidance document, please visit our website. NEC News Today was on location this week as Trulieve hosted their grand opening event to celebrate their latest cannabis dispensary in Framingham, Massachusetts. Trulieve's chief marketing officer was there to cut the ribbon and speak to the crowd about this new location. The company confirmed in its official press release that it will first open as an adult use dispensary and anticipates expanding to include medical cannabis sales later this spring. The event featured 2 food trucks, music, an outside tent with brands that are available at Trulieve, including Muse, Cultivar Collection, Sweet Talk, Bang Chocolate, Blue River, Momenta, and Open. DJ Muggs of Cypress Hill visited between 4 to 6 p.m. and took photos with guests inside the dispensary. This week, Trulieve also announced a new strain of flower called Kush Clouds. It's described as a heavy-hitting indica with notes of sweet dankness and earthy undertones. For more video of the grand opening, please visit our website. In Rhode Island news, a company is suing the DEA over delays associated with medical cannabis research permits. MMJ Biopharma Cultivation is a research company that has applied for permits to cultivate cannabis for research purposes from the DEA. The company thinks that the DEA is dragging its feet and has filed a lawsuit asking the court to compel the DEA to issue its license. The company is trying to develop treatments for patients with multiple sclerosis and Huntington's disease. Bulk manufacturing licenses will be important to the future of federal cannabis research in the United States as clinical trials require rigorous compliance with FDA guidelines. MMJ Biopharma Cultivation representatives said that they've taken extreme efforts to produce soft gel capsules that comply with those guidelines. This story is developing. For more information, please visit our website. The Cookies dispensary in Worcester has recently announced their new merch and apparel. In an email, Cookies let everyone know that the new products include bags, blankets, umbrellas, and more. The blanket appears to be fuzzy and black with Cookies written across it in blue. The new backpack is green with a white Cookies logo on the left pocket, and on the right pocket it says Cookies Worldwide since 1983. For more information on this merch drop at Cookies, please visit our website. The Fair Labor Division of the Massachusetts Attorney General's Office is conducting sessions and informational webinars on the state's wage and hour laws for members of the cannabis industry. According to the press release, the Fair Labor Division has heard from numerous employees in the cannabis industry about potential wage and hour violations. The division is holding 3 sessions in upcoming months to help business owners understand the rules in Massachusetts and avoid violations of the wage and hour laws. The sessions are virtual, they are free, but registration is required. The first session is being held on April 19th. For the webinar dates and the registration link, please visit necnewstoday.com. The Massachusetts Supreme Court recently heard oral arguments in the case of Bask versus the City of Taunton. In 2019, Taunton City Council denied a special permit application from Bask. Bask filed a complaint in land court and was successful. The city appealed that decision and won their appeal. Bask appealed that decision, which brought this issue before the highest court in Massachusetts. Justices heard from and questioned the attorneys representing both sides. For more information, including a link to watch the oral arguments, please visit our website. We found lots of events, giveaways, and food coming up at 420 events. To get into the 420 spirit, Southie Adams is sponsoring a massive 420 sweepstakes for those who like to venture out. First place wins $4,200 in cash. To enter the sweepstakes, you must collect at least 1 entry ticket from participating dispensaries between April 11th and April 20th, 2022. Garden Remedies in the 420 spirit has unveiled new edibles, including a French toasted bar infused with 420 milligrams of THC for patients. Their cultivation team will also be releasing new strains to celebrate. If you're in Worcester for 420, Resonate is celebrating their 2-year anniversary with a photo booth, goodies, and information about the latest Resonate products from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Berkshire Roots is having an event on April 23rd from 12 to 5 p.m. with food, vendors, music, games, and more. The first 100 customers will receive free ice cream from Ben & Jerry's. For those in the Charlton area of Massachusetts, Green Gold is giving medical patients 40% off. Green Gold has also put together several product bundles and will be giving a free GG4 pre-roll to patients who purchase a Dablicator. Western Front in Chelsea, Massachusetts on 420 at 7 p.m. is hosting Michael Christmas, who will perform live. This free event is hosted by Loud Minds TV and powered by DJ Super Smash Bros. Last but not least, Netta in Franklin, Massachusetts is celebrating 420 a little early on April 16th from 12 to 4 p.m. with a live demo on how to use the Twist Spencer and Dablicator. Enjoy food trucks, giveaways, and special pricing. For a full list of specials and events happening this month, including links to the sweepstakes, please visit our website. For the absolute latest New England cannabis news, head on over to necnewstoday.com and follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. If you're enjoying the show, be sure to like this video. Subscribe to NEC News Today for more great content and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of the show. For New England Cannabis News Today, this is Jeremiah McKinnon reminding you to have a happy 420, use cannabis responsibly, and enjoy your cannabis-filled adventures throughout New England.